In today's video, I'll be making this juicy and delicious Mbuzi Dry Fry, a Kenyan favorite. Hi, welcome to Gakii's kitchen. Let's get cooking. I'll start by preparing the marinade. In a large bowl, add the vegetable oil, natural yogurt or maziwa mala, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. For the spices, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder, dried thyme, paprika, onion powder, pepper, whichever you prefer, and salt to taste. Mix that in until they are well combined. Finally, chop the fresh mint and the rosemary. If you have fresh mint, you can use that. I didn't have any, so the dried one will do. Thinly slice the garlic, cloves, and ginger and finely mince them. Add that to the marinade and mix them in. Now to the goat meat. Use your preferred cut and cut it to your desired sizes. Add them to the marinade bowl. Evenly coat the meat with the marinade. The yogurt will make the meat tender and very soft. Marinate the meat for at least 1 hour or longer for better flavor absorption. I covered mine with cling film and popped it in the fridge overnight. That looks good. Prepare the other ingredients. Finally chop the onions, tomatoes, coriander stems, and the leaves. Now we are ready to start cooking. Add some vegetable oil to our pot and let that heat up. You can add a few bay leaves if you like. Add the onion and fry until golden brown. Add the tomatoes and cook until they are soft and start breaking down. Add the coriander stems and let that cook. Finally, add the meat. Mix it in until it's fully coated with the sauce. Let that cook on medium heat until it's well done. Do not add any water. The mbuzi will cook in its own juices. Check on it from time to time and start to ensure it's cooking well. That looks good and about right. Taste to adjust the salt and flavors if you need to, and remove the bay leaves if you added them. Garnish with the coriander leaves. This mbuzi smells so good, I'm salivating. That's good and ready to eat. This goes perfectly with ugali and kachumbari or grains. It's so delicious. You'll have to try this iconic Kenyan recipe. Thank you so much for joining me today. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you on the next one. Bye!